You need to provide content for a business chatbot that will help answer simple user queries. Validate and confirm if the below solution can be used to create question and answer text by using Q&A Maker. Import chitchat content from a predefined data source. Select the correct option. True or false? The correct option is true. You can use Q&A Maker to create question and answer text by importing chitchat content from a predefined data source. Q&A Maker allows you to create a knowledge base by extracting Q&A pairs from various sources, including predefined content, FAQs, or documents, which can enhance the chatbot's ability to answer user queries effectively. Organizing documents into groups based on similarities of the text contained in the documents is an example of clustering. Select the correct option. True or false? The correct option is true. Organizing documents into groups based on similarities of the text contained in the documents is indeed an example of clustering. Clustering is an unsupervised machine learning technique that groups similar data points, in this case, documents, together based on their characteristics or features, such as the text content. You need to convert handwritten notes into digital text. Which type of computer vision should you use? The options are A. Object detection, B. Image classification, C. Facial detection, D. Optical character recognition, OCR. The correct option is optical character recognition, OCR. Optical character recognition, OCR, is the type of computer vision technology you would use to convert handwritten notes into digital text. OCR works by recognizing and extracting text from images, making it suitable for digitizing handwritten or printed documents. In the given scenario, select the correct Microsoft guiding principle for responsible AI. AI system that empowers everyone, including people who have hearing, visual, and other impairments. Select the correct option. The options are A. Inclusiveness, B. Fairness, C. Accountability, D. Reliability and safety. The correct option is inclusiveness. The principle of inclusiveness focuses on ensuring that AI systems are designed to be accessible and beneficial to everyone, including individuals with disabilities or impairments such as hearing or visual challenges. This principle promotes the idea that technology should empower all users, regardless of their abilities. A historian can use to digitize newspaper articles. Select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. The options are A. Facial recognition, B. Optical character recognition, OCR, C. Object detection, D. Image classification. The correct option is optical character recognition, OCR. A historian can use optical character recognition, OCR, to digitize newspaper articles. OCR technology is designed to recognize and convert different types of documents, including printed and handwritten text, into machine-readable text, making it ideal for digitizing historical documents like newspaper articles. You need to make the written press releases of your company available in a range of languages. Which service should you use? The options are A. Translator, B. Language understanding, Louise, C. Text analytics, D. Speech. The correct option is translator. To make written press releases available in a range of languages, you should use translator. This service is designed for translating text between different languages efficiently, allowing you to provide multilingual versions of your documents. When you design an AI system to assess whether loans should be approved, the factors used to make the decision should be explainable. This is an example of which Microsoft guiding principle for responsible AI. The options are A. Privacy and security, B. Transparency, C. Inclusiveness, D. Fairness. The correct option is transparency. The principle of transparency emphasizes that the factors used in an AI system's decision-making process, such as loan approval, should be explainable and understandable to users. This helps build trust and allows stakeholders to understand how decisions are made, which is crucial in applications like loan assessments. Select the correct statements for Azure Translator service. The options are the following service call will accept English text as an input and output Italian and French text, translate from is equal to N and to is equal to FR and to is equal to it. B. The following service call will accept English text as an input and output Italian and French text, translate from is equal to it and to is equal to FR and to is equal to N. C. The translator service can be used to translate documents from English to French. The correct statements for Azure Translator service are the following service call will accept English text as an input and output Italian and French text, translate from is equal to N and to is equal to FR and to is equal to it. And the translator service can be used to translate documents from English to French. It specifies that the input is in English and the output is requested in both French and Italian. Azure Translator can be used to translate documents, including converting text from one language to another, such as from English to French.